How to use commercial sounds on TikTok. To use commercial sounds on TikTok, first of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this homepage where you can view all the videos that are shared on TikTok. From this page, tap on the plus icon at the bottom. You will then be taken to the camera page. Now tap on Add Sound at the top. As you can see, there are no options to use commercial sounds on the screen. Get back to the camera page and close the tab. Once you're in the home page of TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on Menu at the top right corner. Then, select the option Settings and Privacy. Once you're in this page, go over to Account. Then, you need to select the option Switch to Business Account. Keep hitting the next button until you get to the category section. After that, select the category of your business and tap on Next. Skip the email section. Now hit the cross icon at the top left corner. Now go back and get back to your profile page. Tap on this plus icon from the bottom. Once you're in the camera page, go to Add Sound at the top. As you can see, the option for commercial sounds has been added here. So, by following these steps, you can easily use commercial sounds on TikTok.